Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to add FAQ in card websites. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on card, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm going to do first before creating a FAC, I'm just going to create a card first and go to the Common Ninja website right here, and also I just need to log into my Common Ninja account. And after that, I'm going to in my dashboard and create a widget or a FAQ widget for my card website. And as you can see, I can just click create widget right here. And after that, I'm just going to find or I'm just going to search for frequently asked question widget in Common Ninja. So I'm just going to search for frequent, or let's say FAQ, and yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to create an FAQ, and after that, as you can see, I'm in my the Common Ninja website editor or the widget editor. So right here, I can just click this button right here on the left side, and it says the the templates or the contents. And right here on the contents, I can just edit the text on my frequently asked question. And if you want to change it, you can change it whatever you want, and that is being based on your card website. And yeah, that's it. So after that, I can just click save changes and name it whatever I want and add it as my new project. And also I can just save it. And if I go back to my Common Ninja dashboard, as you can see, I will see this website or widget. And after that, I can just click this button, not this three dots corner, this button, add it in your website. And after I click this one, as you can see, a code will be shown. And as you can see, I can just copy the code and paste it right on my card website. And yeah, that's it. So as you can see, if I go back to my card website, what I'm going to do now is by creating a content. So I'm just going to click this plus button right here, and right there, as you can see, the embed button is locked because it's only available on premium or card pro version. And yeah, that's it. So you need to purchase a pro version of card in order to use the embed option. So after that, if you have one, just click embed and just paste your code right there. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add frequently asked question on card. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.